Hey Erica, I'm gonna send you a video of what I found. The one that I got from the email, that one was currently sold. So I got another one right here. I think the MSRP is 41. See what kind of discounts we have on this one. But this is 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited 4x4. So this is a Sport S. So I'm gonna show you kind of what this one is talking about. And if there's any incentives that we have, which I'm pretty sure we do because it's 2019. All right, so just looking right here, the MSRP is 41,170. Some of the specials that they have, they give $2,000 cash back on 2019 Wranglers. If you finance within 60 months, about 4 or so. And this is based off about maybe like 5,000 down for a sample monthly of around like 750, 760. Just looking at a few things for you. I'm gonna send you the specs, okay?